Bullish Theta organization, Theta, cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $4.18 and $7.90 by 2030. Market experts accept Theta could reach $3.25 by 2025. Bearish Theta organization market cost expectation for 2023 is $0.743601. Theta organization, Theta, presentation Theta's local cryptographic money is additionally called Theta, Theta. The symbolic powers the organization and boosts clients to share assets. There are two sorts of hubs on the Theta organization: customary hubs and asset-rich gatekeeper hubs. Normal hubs procure compensations for sharing their assets, while watchman hubs acquire considerably bigger rewards for confirming blocks and bundling video transfers. Theta organization. One of the vital elements of the Theta network is its utilization of edge reserving. Edge reserving includes putting away frequently mentioned information nearer to the client instead of at an incorporated area. This decreases idleness and works on streaming quality. By decentralizing substance conveyance, Theta can give a preferable streaming encounter over customary CDNs. One more significant component of the Theta network is its capacity to deal with a lot of traffic with negligible effect on the watcher experience. This is made conceivable by Theta's P2P network organizing innovation, what eliminates web blockage by disseminating traffic among various ways all the while. How Theta functions. The primary thing to comprehend about Theta is that it's not only a video real-time stage like YouTube or Jerk. It's likewise a decentralized organization controlled by the blockchain. This implies that clients can share data transfer capacity and registering assets on a P2P premise. All in all, Theta is intended to be a more proficient and decentralized approach to real-time video. So how can it function? The key is in the utilization of edge servers. Edge servers are fundamentally PCs that are sent at the edge of the organization, nearer to the client. By doing this, Theta can diminish idleness and work on streaming quality. Theta organization is at present worth $0.929501 United States dollars. Theta has moved 2.86% as of now, with an exchanging volume of $14,789,087. Theta organization is at present position 56 among all digital currencies, with a market capitalization of $929,501,265 United States dollars. Using the general strength file, RSI, moving weighted normal, MWA, Williams fractal, and moving normal intermingling dissimilarity, MACD, from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for Theta organization, Theta, to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Different things, for example, marking Theta tokens or utilizing the organization's transfer speed assets, can likewise influence Theta's cost revelation components and lead to increments or diminishes in Theta's worth on some random day. Our cost expectation gauges utilize continuous Theta organization, Theta, market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in view of current market action. Theta organization, Theta, value expectation 2023. Theta organization, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital forms of money to rise this year, Theta. The Theta cost gauge for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, conceivably coming to $1.39. Likewise with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be steady, yet no significant drops are normal. Averaging $1.30 in cost is very aggressive, however it is practical soon given expected joint efforts and progressions. Theta is supposed to have a base worth of $1.12. Theta organization, Theta, value expectation 2024 out of 2024, Theta organization Theta cost forecast has a lot of space for extension. Because of the likely declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of Theta will before long outperform $2.32. Notwithstanding, we ought to stand by to check whether the Theta's general strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, Theta will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $1.86 and a typical exchanging cost of $2.04. Theta organization, Theta, value expectation 2025. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $3.25 and Theta might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. Theta is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $2.97 and a low of $2.79 in 2025. Theta Organization, Theta, Value Expectation 2026. Assuming Theta Organization effectively supports market opinion among digital money devotees, the Theta coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Theta will be green in 2026. The Theta is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $4.18, with a base cost of $3.72 and a typical cost of $3.90. Theta Organization, Theta, Value Expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the Theta cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $4.83 by 2027, with a base cost of $4.65 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, Theta has a greatest value worth of $5.11. Theta Organization, Theta, Value Expectation 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $5.76. On the off chance that Theta figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of $6.04. Neglecting to accumulate the help Theta needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $5.58. Theta Organization, Theta, Value Expectation 2029. While Theta is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush collaboration, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $6.51 and a yearly cost close above $6.97 in 2029. Theta Organization, Theta, Value Forecast 2030. By 2030, Theta Organization will at long last outperform its past ETH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $7.44 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $7.90, averaging out at $7.62. Theta Organization, Theta, Value Expectation 2031. The digital currency market is known to be profoundly unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost gauging is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to gauge future sticker costs with accuracy, but all forecasts are not be taken as monetary counsel, and you should do your own exploration. In 2031, we are anticipating that digital currency should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the most extreme Theta cost in 2031 is projected to be $9.11 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $8.74. The ongoing Theta Organization cost depends on an examination of various elements, including specialized pointers and late market patterns. In view of our conjectures, we accept that the Theta Organization coin cost will keep on ascending soon and arrive at new all-time highs. What is the Theta Organization, Theta, cost today? Today, Theta Organization, Theta, is exchanging at $0.929501, with a complete market capitalization of $929